Cricket West Indies president, Mr. Ricky Skerritt, continues his thrust to bring back veteran players and involve past players. We see where former batting legend Brian Lara, along with Ramnari Sawan, have been engaged as batting consultants to work with the current West Indies batsmen for the India Test Series. I think it's the first time that Lara has been officially involved with West Indies cricket since his retirement. I mean, I lie. I don't like this for Brian Lara. I am afraid of Lara tainting his legacy by his association with this terrible crop of West Indies batsmen. I mean, many men have tried. Clive Lloyd, Viv Richards, Malcolm Marshall, Curtly Ambrose have all got burnt by this crop of players. Honestly speaking, I don't think short-term motivational measures can help the senior West Indian batsmen technically or mentally. No individual or group of individuals can march into the current senior setup and change these bad habits. Not at this stage. The challenges need to be tackled earlier in the cycle, in the formative and developmental stages, and not at the senior level. Brian Lara, my general, him is the greatest thing to ever pick up a cricket bat. So King Lara, don't make the politician Ricky Skerritt use you and your legacy as a PR stunt. I'm here to tell you that up front.